Finally, going to give an overview of Yosa. In this first section, it's very skills-based, things that you can learn to add to your quote-unquote wellness toolkit. And we already saw the therapy section, but with journaling, similar to the therapy journal, this is more general where if you click the plus icon, ask you what your mood is, how you're feeling in the situation, and then you'll add your entry, and it'll go back to the journal where you can get a preview of what you wrote about, when, how you're feeling, what your mood was, to log that. And I'm not going to go through all of these. We'll also have meditations, guided yoga, games, and affirmations in this section. And then tracking, the next section, is especially important in therapy because you only go to therapy once in a while. And all those other days are helpful to get a representative picture. So when it comes for therapy, you know how you're feeling on all those other days. It makes it easier to figure out what to talk about and what's going on. Also helps figure out what leads to different outcomes, whether that be your mood, your sleep, substance use. Um, so for the sake of time, we'll just show you the mood tracker, but it asks you how you're feeling. Click this, submit, and it'll go to this graph that also pairs with the journaling section that we saw before. Lastly, in the resource section, we have a safety plan, which is something that is common in therapy for folks in crisis situations where if you ever do find yourself in a crisis situation, it has these 6 steps of ways to calm yourself down and make yourself feel better, which is just making it more accessible, having it in an app. And then lastly, Wellness 101 is psychoeducation, and help has a bunch of different hotlines.